Hello my learner friends, I'm Ananya. Today I'm going to draw a super easy and simple scenery about the Raksha Bandhan that you can easily draw at home. Let's get started. I have drawn the scenery with a black marker, but I always suggest you to draw a 2B with or HB pencil that you can erase on some point as your requirement. Let's talk about the festive, the Raksha Bandhan. So Raksha Bandhan celebrated as a mark of protection and love between the siblings. The festival of the Hindu community especially is observed with great pomp and fun. It's a popular traditionally Hindu community scenery mostly celebrated in South Asia. In this day, all of the sisters of all ages tie an amulet called Rakhi around the wrists of their brothers as a protector of them, as well as receiving some wonderful gifts in return from their brothers. I just tried to express my thought about the Raksha Bandhan in the pandemic time celebration. You can see the girl or the sisters are giving the Raksha as well as a hand wash as a protector of the brother in the time of corona pandemic, and they either wear the masks to protect themselves from the coronavirus. So I just try to express my thought about the Raksha Bandhan in the pandemic situation, in the coronavirus situations, how they can still safe on their house in the time of celebration Raksha Bandhan. Please don't forget to comment in below how it was looking. I have colored the background of the scenery with orange, yellow ochre and the yellow. And obviously you can see the color's name on the bottom of the screen easily. Just watch the color's name, follow my steps and draw the easy scenery. If you need any kind of help, please comment me below. I will be always here to answering you, to help you always. And I used to draw the bottom part with vindiki brown as well as yellow ochre. If you are a new learner on my creation world, then don't forget to please subscribe my channel to watch more like this. Then draw the boys' robes with cobalt blue, sky blue as well as yellow. And I say again that don't forget to blend the color as well as you can, because blending or matching up your color will make your drawing super attractive and beautiful. If you like this drawing tutorial, then don't forget to press the like button. Then I did a little bit shadow with the Prussian blue color in the robes of the boy. And I draw his pants with gray and white color mix up. The boy's clothes is complete, then turn to the girl's clothes. Draw the girls with Prussian blue, green, as well as the yellow green. We happy green family. Draw the bottom part of the dress with same like the green and yellow green. I did a little bit shadow with the Prussian blue again to make it precious. Then draw the upper part of the dress, the orna with purple, pink as well as the light pink. Please don't forget to mash up all of the color as well as you can. I say again, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then draw the gift box filled with mask with lavender and the violet color and with red also. Color the skin tone of the girl with yellow ochre and the pale orange mixed up. Don't forget to do a shadow with the vindiki brown. And I used vindiki brown as well as the pale orange to do the skin tone of the boy. And I draw the mask with the sky blue as well as the white mixed up. Then I color the hair of the girl and the boy, either of them, with black, vindiki brown as well as brown color. Then I draw the hand wash bottle with the violet and purple color. Then draw the background flower with orange as well as yellow ochre and the leaves with green and the yellow green. Don't forget to do a little bit shadow with the red. Our beautiful scenery of the Raksha Bandhan is being almost complete. Then draw the whole objects with again the black outliner, and yeah, our drawing is complete. If you love my tutorial, then don't forget to press the like button, and if you have any kind of assessment, then don't forget to comment and below. If you be a new learner in my creation world, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button to watch more like this. Time to bounce. See you in the next video. Tada!